Charley the plumber here, talking about Uponor PEX tubing. This is a expandable PEX tubing that I use. It has a little bit bigger inside diameter than you would get at some of the PEX tubing from the big box stores. This is a plumber wholesale type of product. Very easy to use. It is a expandable. You do need a special tool for it. I happen to have the Milwaukee Uponor tubing tool here. They offer a ring that basically goes on the end of here. These rings are basically, they expand open, and then as the cross linking goes back, it has a memory in it where it's going to go back to the original shape. If you ever have a leak with this, you actually can take a torch and you can heat it up and it will actually shrink a little bit more. So it's kind of a cool product. Show you very simply how it goes on. Got your tool that opens and closes. Basically, we put this in the fitting and we just let it slowly go into where it belongs. I give it a couple extra so I have a little time to work with it. That is all there is to it. Very simple, very easy. Give her a good pull. It's not going to come off of there. Great product. I like it. I've been using it for about 15 years. It does come up to 3-inch tubing. I've never had the joy of using the 3-inch. Biggest I've used before is 1.25 inch. Great product. Check it out. Uponor tubing, the PEX. Thanks. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Talk to you soon.